Hey everyone, my name is Rosalyn Aparato. Together with my team, we would like to introduce our product, Magic NUTRiBULLET. Twice the power and capacity, all new extractor blade. And now we will discuss on how to use our product.
The unique combination of all new NUTRiBULLET, extractor blade, and our exclusive cycle knee action generated the power, breakdown, pulverize, and emulsified food so you can access the hidden nutrition inside. The power of NUTRiBULLETs: Bass open seeds, crack to steam, surge through screen, breaks down even the top-notch ingredients.
These are the parts of Magic NUTRiBULLET. First is the high torque power base. Second is the extractor blade. Third is the milling blade. And fourth, the tall cap. Fifth is the two short caps. Sixth is the handle lip. 7 is the regular lip ring. 8 is the stay fresh releasable liquids. And last is the manual. And the packaging is Pocket Nutritionist.
It is one of the new blender we can use to our home. It is a smart blender, which means can give you a good, easy to use. These are all of the attachments that came with the NUTRiBULLET. Large cup is probably the one we can use most often. And our two with handle and one without. This blender has two blades. The one is the cross blade for wheat product like fruits and veggies. Second one, flat blade for dry product like seeds or rice. This is a blade for milling, and this blade is the nutrition extraction blade. This gray ring is screw on to any of the cook so you can drink your juice so good.
I'm going to show you how to use this. This is the high torque power base. Then I'm going to put here the fruits, the apple, like this, by piece. Then the water. Pour the water here. It depends on you. Then I will cover it with this blade, cross blade for the fruits. When you are sure that the cover is tightly sealed, to start the blending, just put here in the high torque power base and push it downwards like this. Then I will plug it on. Then here you go, you have a shake apple juice. Blender is very good for making fresh fruit drink because it liquidizes the fruits like apple, watermelon, and more.
So what are you waiting for? Buy this Magic NUTRiBULLET blender.